GPT, and Airtable. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type Airtable.com in the address bar. Then press Enter to load the website. Log into your account using your registered email address. Or click Sign Up for free if you do not have an account yet. If you are signing up, start by entering your email address in the provided field. Then, click the Continue with Email button to proceed. Once you have successfully logged in and reached the home page, navigate to the left sidebar and click Workspace section. Once you're in the Workspace page, go to the top right corner of the page and click Create a Workspace button to continue. After creating the workspace, click Create button and choose the Build an App with Omni option from the available selections. In the prompt field, type your request clearly. For example, type Create a product description based on the name and price columns. Once your prompt is ready and you are satisfied with its wording, click the Build It button to proceed. The system will then process your request and your workspace is ready.